Akiarĩria etĩkia kanitha-inĩ wa Redeemed Gospel taũni-inĩ ya Kithimani, kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kiumia, mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nĩ akomithĩtie tharĩkĩra cia kĩũteti iria irathiĩ na mbere, akiuga President William Ruto na thirikari yake nĩ maremetwo kũgacĩrithia thayũ wa mũingĩ.
Because what has happened today in Homa Bay is clearly not acceptable. In fact, it is an impeachable offense. If you, as a leader in the country, one with the instruments of power, cannot guarantee the basic right, and the right to life is a basic right.
Never again in this country shall we shed innocent blood on account of political competition. That is the current president of the Republic of Kenya who said that, William Ruto. And now munaona vita kila pahali, damu inamwagika wakati yeye ndiye kiongozi wa nchi ya Kenya.
Kalonzo oigĩte umaramari uthiĩte na mbere gwĩthegea bũrũri-inĩ, kuona president nĩ aregete gũtacũkĩria makinya arĩa ahete ũigĩrĩrĩki wa ũgitĩri.
Ruto mwenyewe alisema gunism imeisha. What has happened? Kama gunism imeisha, kwa nini Gachagua na wenzake wakapigwa mawe Nakuru? Kwa nini Sifuna na wenzake leo wakapigwa mawe na kuumizwa, hata wanahabari wakapigwa mawe na kuumizwa na militias?
I am asking the president, take charge. The security agents should take charge. Hii maneno yote inaendelea Kenya iishe. Ni wewe uko saa hii na wewe ulisema Kenya itamwaga damu tena. Kwa nini uache Kenya ifike mpaka hapo?
And the problem ailing this country is a problem of disregard of the rule of law. Who is better to sort out this mess other than His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Hĩndĩ o ĩyo Kalonzo oigĩte nĩ orĩtie President Mũhuru kwĩra Uhuru Kenyatta kwĩyeheria ta mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio nĩguo gũkiria mĩario ya kũmũthũkĩria rĩtwa ĩrĩa irarekererio nĩ ateti kĩama-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩrathana.
Uhuru Kenyatta ana sifa dunia nzima. Wewe Bwana Ruto, sifa yako ni hafifu kidogo sana. Umaarufu hata eneo hili letu la Afrika Mashariki, umaarufu umepunguza. Hakuna kiongozi in East African region anakuheshimu. I must tell you that.
Hamwe na ũguo, Kalonzo nĩ athingatĩte kamĩtĩ ya ithurano na mĩhaka gũtwarithia mĩhang'o ya ũheani wa kandarathi ya macini cia gĩthurano na njĩra ya waragania. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.